Hey, it's Brent, and I recently posted a video where I told you about how a woman tested me by saying, nice hair. And then I asked you for your responses. And here they are. First one is, well, you know, in the tropical jungle, chimps check each other's hair for uninvited guests, and we should do the same. Okay, not a bad try. But what I would do to this is I would accuse her of wanting to be invited and then uninvite her. Okay, so it would be something like this. You know, in the wild, chimps check each other's hair for uninvited guests, and you are uninvited. I think you're uninvited, right? Something like that. Say, so you want to accuse her of wanting to be invited, right? So she's after you, and then uninviting her, right? Remember, it's always about maybe. You're never a sure thing. It's always like, I'll see, we'll see, maybe. It's possible. But I don't think I like you. I don't think I'm going to invite you. I think I'm uninviting you, okay? So that could be something you could say. All right. Here's another one that's sent in with several of them. You could say, are you flirting with me? Right, so just immediately accuse her of flirting with you because that's what she's doing. Okay? You could say, does that line usually work for you? Which is something that women say to men all the time, so just say it to them instead. The next one is, that's the hottest thing I've ever heard, right? So you are accusing her of saying something really sexy, like that just turns you on. Like the more insulting she is, the more it turns you on. And I'm just so turned on, but that's the hottest thing I've ever heard, right? Like it just blows them out of the water, okay? So you're getting it. You're obviously reading my book and you're coming up with some good stuff here. Another one is, did you just mean, do you want to buy me a drink? Right, so selective hearing. So you only hear what you want to hear. That's the only thing that matters. It doesn't matter what she actually says. Okay, only what you hear, or what you think you hear. Okay, the other one is, there's another one here. Did you just say we're out of here? Right, again, selective hearing. She just asked you to leave? Did you just ask me to leave with you? Did you just say we're out of here? Very good. Okay, next one is, that's the 10th girl that said that to me tonight, and they all grabbed my hand and tried to take me to the bathroom after. And I hope you're not going to try that too because it's getting boring. Try something else. Okay, so I see what you're doing here. You are, so not a bad try. You know, make it a little shorter possibly. But yeah, that's like, you know, you're the 10th girl who said to me, like, nice hair, yeah, like it's a routine compliment. We used to have a thing that we used to say amongst my friends, which was, it's a routine compliment. However, I will accept it. So it's a routine compliment. You're the 10th girl who said that to me tonight. And in fact, they all grabbed my hand and took me to the bathroom. And I certainly hope that that's not what you're about to do because you need to think of something new because I'm bored with that. Like that happens to me all the time and I'm just bored and you need to be creative. Okay? So yeah, challenge them. They need to take it to the next level. Right? That's what all girls do. All girls take me here and do this and ask me that, and right? But so I hope you're certainly going to do something better than that, like something more creative, right? Like I remember we used to say also when girls would say something even provocative to us, like they would just come right out and proposition us, we'd say, and? Was that all you've got? Like, why would that excite me? Like, what's unique about that, right? Take it to the next level, challenge them. So good job. Okay. Another response. Thank you. I think it's sexy too, right? So you're just, it's a compliment, right? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Great. I think it's sexy. I like it as well, right? Awesome. Good. Okay. Brent, I would have smiled and said, nice of you to notice, or thank you for noticing. I would have maintained eye contact and gone from there. Okay. Yeah. One of my favorite things. Thanks for noticing, right? I don't care what chicks say. Thanks for noticing. Like, own it. Right? Like it just spins it around for them. They just don't, they're like, what just happened? I was insulting him and he passed it and he said, thanks for noticing, and he owned it and I'm intrigued and he's mysterious and I want him. Okay? That's what they're thinking. So good job on that. Next one is, stop it right now. You're turning me on with your dirty talk. Okay? Another classic one. Kind of like, you know, that's the hottest thing I've ever heard, right? Like, you're talking dirty. Stop talking dirty to me. You're turning me on, right? Good, okay? The next one is, you want to play with my hair? Buy me a drink first. Perfect, okay? It's about your hair. Again, selective hearing, right? Nice hair. You want to play with my hair? Look, I don't usually let women play with my hair if we haven't gone to the bathroom first, or if we haven't hooked up first, or if you bought me a drink or bought me dinner. I mean, like, what's the story with that? Like, you can't touch my hair, right? Like, please, seriously? You want to touch my hair? No, that's never going to happen, right? Okay? Again, you're holding it back from them. Awesome. Okay. Next one is, do I like your hair? Well, it looks a lot of control. I prefer girls who know how to groom themselves. That's another awesome one. Good job at thinking that one up. So, again, you are only hearing what you want to hear. She says, nice hair. And you go, do I like your hair? What? Like, well, if you're asking, it looks a little out of control, and I really prefer girls who know how to groom. So, I don't know. Just not interested, right? Boom. Nice. Okay. Then let's see if I have another one here. Yes, I do. Thank you. It's even all mine. Perhaps you'd like the rest of me. Okay. So I do like that. But here's what I would change at the end. So that's fine. Thanks for noticing. It's all mine. Or thank you. It's all mine. What would I say here? I don't want you to say, perhaps you'd like the rest of me, because that's like offering it to her. And remember, you're not a sure thing. You're not a sure thing, okay? Unlike maybe how you used to be, your new life is that maybe, we'll see, okay? Yes, what do you have to say about the rest of me, right? So something like that, right? It's even all mine. What do you have to say about the rest of me? I assume you have a comment on the rest of my sexiness, right? So remember, it's not perhaps you'd like, okay? Because that's offering it up to her. That means that if she says yes, you'd say yes. And you never want them to think that. You only want them to think it's maybe, okay? All right, that looks like everything. So listen, I hope that helps. And you better watch this video a few times just to memorize some of this great stuff. And I hope I've dug into it a little bit and explained the reasons why some of it works. Anyway, if you'd like more responses to every shit test a woman could give you and build unbelievably irresistible attraction with them, go to nomoreshit.test.com, and I'll talk to you later.